Hey everybody, it's Irene with BrainStormAcres, and obviously I'm in the greenhouse. Now I have a pretty special job today, and that is I have to get the broccoli under control. We have a ton of broccoli that needs to be harvested, and I've got enough that I'm going to be able to make something like a beef and broccoli tonight. So yeah, lots and lots to harvest. First I have to figure out whether it's time to actually harvest any of the stuff out of here. This is not quite ready. That one's pretty borderline too. These definitely have to go. These side shoots. And those leaves are just as delicious as the broccoli part is, so we'll be eating all of that. Okay. Gonna harvest this guy too. Okay, get this guy. There's some gorgeous small heads there. All right. I think I will harvest these down here and then come back. I'm thinking I need to harvest these two. That one's not ready. Time to size up on the clippers. Usually the broccoli are a little taller than this one. This is sort of odd. I'm trying to get in here and cut this. I don't want these big broccoli leaves, but the small ones we can eat. This is a crazy time of year in terms of the heat and stuff like that, so I expect the plants to behave a little wonky. But still plenty of really good broccoli coming out of here. I need to get a garbage can. I always wind up doing a little cleaning when I'm trimming because it just makes sense. I picked the spinach last night, so there's a few less than beautiful looking underleaves showing now, and I'll harvest some of them. We made a huge batch of spinach dip last night. It was really good. Okay, so the only thing I know I need to harvest probably is back there. So I harvested all the broccoli in here, and I have not harvested that yet, but I've got that one, this one, that one, that one, that one. I need to harvest this cabbage. You really have to look down in these plants, because once that center stalk is gone, side stalks can be hard to spot. And this one is got aphids. Yeah. I'm going to be spraying in here hopefully in the next week. I'm waiting for the stuff to come in, so we'll see. A couple of these plants are kind of borderline in terms of being mostly done. It's always interesting to see who does well and who doesn't. This is Marathon. That's the one we tried from Haas this year. This one has produced some side shoots. My conclusion is Emerald Crown and Atlantis are definitely the ones to plant. So I just need to make sure I have plenty of those seeds on hand, because I will plant them again in the fall. I will not plant as many as I did this year. I planted way too many. We have really enjoyed all the broccoli, but it means we have not had as much space in our diet for cabbage and kohlrabi and all the other stuff that we usually eat too, which is not a good thing. So I am going to That's interesting that this variety is more attractive to aphids than some of the other ones. I'm going to take this whole thing outside right now. And this one also has a caterpillar on it. There were a couple of moths in here like a month ago, and I was like, oh, don't kid me, no moths. There we go. Nice little cabbage. I need to fertilize. Not happy with the way the garlic looks. There we go. Now we got a little fertilizer in there. That should help. They just need a little pick up. A little pick me up. All right. What are we going to move? If anything. That one's heavy. I don't think that one is, though. Let's see. There we go. Woo! Yeah, that's a smaller bucket actually, so it doesn't weigh nearly as much. Let's see. There's Hercules. He's looking great. What I want to do is have more space down in here because it lets me have better control over things and see better. And that was my biggest problem this winter, was I was just too crammed in here. And we all learn the hard way sometimes. Haha, hiding.